Alright, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to edit in Filmora9. Nobody asked for this, but I thought I might as well do it, because some people might Google it or search it and find this video. So yeah, if anybody does find it like that, then yeah, good for you. I hope this helps. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So if you go on it at first, it might look like a lot, but nothing compared to anything else like Premiere Pro. I went on that and I was so confused. This is just a random recording I have from a bit ago. So the basics is this is volume. You can turn it none, really high, in the middle, blah blah blah. Then there's the second simplest thing, the cut tool. You just use that to cut things. So like, I'm just talking and then all of a sudden, oh no, it's all dark, and then you can just move it anywhere. So yeah, that's really simple. And then if you want to go into a bit more confusing stuff, as chroma key, lens correction, all this weird stuff, and there's audio, and I'll get into this later or maybe in another video, depending sorry guys, depending on how long this video is. So yeah, let's get started with something really easy. So there's transitions, which really spice up your video. Some of them look really cheesy, but others don't. Like, look at this. If I saw a video with this, it would look very cringy. Look at it, it just twirls. No one wants that. But ones that I personally like, if you go on speed blur, warp. Yeah, if you do any warp, so let's try warp 3. And you can also change stuff. And sorry guys. And oh yeah, you can put it there so it transitions and then does it. You can do it there so it transitions before it does it. Or you can do it in the middle so it goes from one to another in the transition like that. It looks really cool in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty simple. And then there is titles. There's so many titles, like look at them all. It's really cool. The one I use normally is just default title, so when you just drag it down anywhere, change how long it is. I just keep it on default. And if you click on it twice, then it opens up this little menu where you can type anything. So let's type random test video. And then you can change the font. I can change it to scruffy. I can make it change the size. I can change the colour. It's really cool. So you can do anything with it. You can even add animation. So if I want to make it boom in, then it'll boing. There it is. There's a ton of transitions. You can change rotation and stuff, obviously. You can change the opacity, which is like see-through. So yeah, that's cool, and there's a ton of different ones. Like, I'm about to use this. I've never used this. Oh, it's downloading some. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I just downloaded something. So this is cool. That's actually pretty cool. So yeah, there's a ton of tiles like that. Let's just delete that. You can also use Control Z, like you can. You should be able to do in anything. Some of these are actually really cool, to be honest. But yeah, that's titles. Effects, these are really cool. You can use them to make a video creepy, use them to, like, in one of my videos, if you go in overlays, you can add a glitch and a disco for no reason. Oh, I've got to download, god damn it. So like, maybe I want to add every single glitch. I can add every single glitch and then it looks very weird. Yeah. When I said very weird, I meant very weird. And you can also change them. So like if I put this one on, and if I go into the properties, on video effects, MPEG glitch, you can change the alpha, which is the entire thing. So you can make it not strong at all. You can make it very strong. It's cool. And you can use these overlays and stuff for a lot. There's a lot of different ones. One that I like using is blur. Square blur. There it is. And that, like, you can use it as a little, like, At the start of a video once, I was like, I just cut some random stuff and put speech over it. So that's cool. And there's audio. It comes with a ton of songs. I've never used them, but the sound effects are what I do use. There's a ton of sound effects, just some random ones like video game jump. Also, note that sound goes at the bottom. Like, that's where things go. Like, maybe I want grass brick explosion. I mean, it doesn't really sound like an explosion, but who cares? Yeah, some of these are really cool. The only one I really use is the explosion, and that's barely ever. And then media is just what you've got in. You can right click and press import to quickly import something. Maybe I want to import a clown Among Us character for no reason. I can do that. You can also add effects to this guy, so maybe I want him to be blurry. Wait, no, I did the wrong thing. I want him to be blurry. He is blurry, but you can barely tell. Maybe I want to add blur bars. It doesn't work. Alright then. But yeah, then elements, I don't really use these. It's just some random stuff like a like button. Give me that. So, yeah. Oh, that's actually cool. I've never used that. I might use it. So yeah, it's funny how, what the hell? Who is gonna use? Oh, I'll just get an airplane quick. One sec, guys. I'm just getting an airplane.
Oh, would you look at that, an upgrade, Ben?
I've been playing a cut banana. Okay, guys, I never knew this existed. Oh, yeah, you know, I always wanted a cut banana in my videos. I can finally get it. These are actually new. It must have been an update. That cut banana. I've never seen that before.
What the hell is that noise?
Well, yeah, there's a ton of different...
That's a bad idea.
A ton of different things you can use. And then the split screen, that's pretty cool. I've only used that once. I'm going to test it out. Oh, you drag it over. What the hell is this?
That was so funny. I just forget.
Yeah, that's confusing and weird. Yeah, alright then. Let's just press OK. So you can do that with 4 things. There's a ton of different ways. And then onto the other stuff. So if you split a little section out, then it's like it's cut, it's in its own little area. Then you can do a lot. You can detach the audio, you can adjust the audio, you can make it faster, so I can make it 100 times speed. What the? Okay, it couldn't even handle that. Yeah, you can do a ton. You can trim start to playhead. Oh, so that deletes everything up to the little thing that I'm guessing it's called a playhead. Ripple delete, no idea what that is. Show properties does that. And green screen. Oh yeah. So, let's get a green picture. Let me just import another thing of my very random things. Wait, you know what? Let's just, oh god. Let's just delete everything. Delete. And delete all of that. Trash. Okay, so now let's put in green screen on YouTube. Okay, this is all my green screen stuff. You're looking at behind the scenes right now. So let's say you want to add Windows error. So like you're playing something and you die and you put that. Edited video, not edited videos. Recordings. Fortnite Arena sucks. Game 4. I'm quite set up for this. Okay, this is 1 minute. Who cares? So if you want to add it, it's there. It doesn't look very good though. Like, what the hell is this? So click it twice in a row and click chroma key. It does it by itself. It just does green. But if it's like kind of weird, like that's brighter, then there, it gets brighter. If you want to fix that, just press that and there you go. And then yeah, you can set a ton of stuff. What the hell? They do a lot. That's cool. Edge feather. Blah de blah de blah. And then yeah, voila. And also if it looks bad quality, it does that when it has sorry about that. It has bad quality when you're editing, but when you export it, it's better. So then, yeah, you can use a ton of different green screen things. You can just download them off YouTube. So yeah, sometimes I record my own in replay mode. And also, I've got this. This is cool.
If
I like
you
using
think
this.
I will come out with,
I don't know what I'm saying in that. Let's just tappity tap. And that looks cool. Yeah, you're all basically seeing behind the scenes on how I edit my videos. And then there's this. I've got a lot of green screens, okay? I'm prepared for using green screens.
if you think I'm gonna get back,
So yeah, that's basically how to edit. If you want to know anything else, just leave it in the comments and I will help make a video on it or help you with it. But yeah, that's for basics. You can do a lot more in it. But I'm just telling you all I really use. You can still do a lot with all this stuff. So yeah, also to export, you can choose the location. Yeah, press there. I do it on videos ready to upload, and then I'll move them into edited videos. And also that isn't me if you thought it was me. That's not me. So yeah, oh, I've got some stuff. No, I don't know why it's showing up that. So yeah, and then once you export, I'll just export it for you guys. Yeah. So you can name it, you can do settings, you can make it 4K if you like, fancy. So let's name it video test and export. It might take a while. Yep, this is taking a while. I'll just speed it up for you guys and you can see the final result. And guys, it is done. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then when you press find target, it'll just go to it. Or if you're big brain like me, then yeah, don't mind these. Just open please. So yeah, now it's full quality. It's 60 FPS. Everything's working fine. So like, look at this. It's ugly. It's horrible. It makes you want to be sick. And then look at this. I mean, it's lovely, it's beautiful, and it wants to make you smile. Look at this, you can see the individual pixels. So yeah, don't worry if it looks bad there. It'll look better here, way better. So yeah, this is cool. Also, I just want to show you guys. Let me just drag this over quick. Yoink. Wait, oh god. Yep, you saw nothing. If you don't pay monthly or £60 to have it forever, then this will be there. And the cringy microphone and voice is not included, which is good for 2 dislikes. I'm so sorry. Welcome back to another video. Top 5 font. Alright then. I'm using Minecraft footage for a Fortnite video. Epic. But yeah, this is what you have if it's for free. So let me just yoink it up. No, come on. It's halfway. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I'll see you another time, guys. Have a good day. Hope it helps you. Bye.